Yeah, my people, I don't come again. It's me, Atakata War 1. Nani Bonine. Always remember, anywhere you work reach, they tell you say it's easy. My brother, my sister, no say na set up. I beg, I won't bring one to come now. Before I start, for those who never know me, for those who never subscribe on my YouTube channel, I beg, run, go and subscribe. You are not paying money to do that. For more information, for more videos, subscribe, click the notification bell. Okay, anytime I update new video, you can be able to see it. May God bless you as you do so. Now I want to talk about wetin dey happen right now. This is coming too much. There is a lady I met in Milano, Italy, close to where I work. This woman now, she really need help, and the way I see, this woman is from Edo State. I don't know whether it's from Asian or Benin. You understand? I will flash the video for you. So please, anybody that know this woman, I beg you, inbox me. I will give you the address where I found this woman. You understand? So you can be able to find means to get this woman, so the woman can go home. Because this woman, na kolo the woman dey kolo. Na the true matter now they tell you so. You understand? As you do so, may God bless you. Before I start, let me flash you the video.
Because they are not well.
Wait,
I don't want
wait, what is the problem? What is the you and somebody that give misunderstanding?
I dey hear the woman they tell Benin, say they cost me. There is a particular you dey hear Benin.
No, I know they hear Benin. Somebody talk to me. What is the problem? Because I dey work for the year and I see you shouting here. That is I say if maybe you have to come and know.
The woman is causing me using Benin to cost me. She's a Benin woman.
You go the black woman?
Yes, she's talking. That is what they are doing.
But wait, what is the problem? I want to really know what is happening. Do you stay here?
I want to tell you, I live in Milano here. I want to tell you, you are coming back from work now.
Yeah, just.
If like they pay you, can you work?
No.
Okay, for 5 years, I have not worked. More than 5 years. Nobody who doesn't need a friend, nobody who doesn't need a wife or husband. Thank God for your concern, you come. I hear when those people that were working, they wear white, they say I should come. The time you be, even this Oyibo come out, the person they are causing me, who that be me more, who that be me more, who that be me more, you will not see a child again in your life. I don't owe you a person.
But do you know the person? Do you know the person?
The woman we are measuring her name, she was talking. She's still cursing. Even when Taizee passed, they measured the name of the woman. The woman know herself. She cannot be my friend.
But you know see her. You know see the woman face.
I know see her, but she's cursing.
You know, for past 1 hour and 2 hours now, you have been here. That is why I want to know exactly what.
The woman is talking in the morning, in the afternoon. This is what they are doing.
But wait, where do you stay here?
Excuse me, it is not where we stay. The matter is that the people should go and talk to her. Okay. I don't make trouble. You should go. She's not my friend.
You wait.
I cannot make friends with her.
Wait.
If she's
sister,
looking for a way, I'm not looking for Ghana husband to marry. She cannot be my way.
Sister, can
and
you
I cannot make friends with her.
Sister, can you wait?
She's not my friend. Jesus Christ.
Can you wait? Let me talk to you.
I don't want to hear anything. I'm not a mad woman.
You listen to me first.
I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear. This is Sukbero Wokpa. Go to your Ghana.
This bag na your bag?
I don't know. I don't want to talk. Thank you for your concern. Am I a mad woman?
No, you are not a mad woman.
I'm not.
But can you listen to me first?
I don't want to talk.
I came because I'm a black like you. Can you listen to me?
I don't want to talk.
Because the people are here. People are here looking at you, and it's very bad. I want to talk to you.
I do understand.
And I may help you, you know.
I hear this carnival very well before.
Listen to me.
Enter. I know why hear this.
I may be the one to help you. Listen to me first.
I don't want to hear. I don't want to hear anything this morning. I did not come to Nigeria. I did not come from Nigeria to Italy to come and be a dog or man. If it's a fine woman wey wan give Ghana, make go give her, not me. It's Joe man when we pray for because they cost me. Jesus Christ, waiting and one year. See my ex-marito Daniel there.
Where?
Yeah.
This man?
That Bianca, this is not. Daniel now he broke. That hospital. Let me my ex-marito from Milano here. They spoil my enemy. I don't want to hear this matter this way. Thank you.
Okay, you see the video now? So please, I beg. You see this woman now, I'm trying to even to get her contact. The woman cannot give me her contact. But the way I figure out for that woman now, the woman really need help. She no get a place to stay. She on the street. You understand? I think you can see the woman bags, everything. You understand? The bag you see there is the woman bags, you know. So please, let us find means to help this woman. You understand? Share this video as you can share this video. It's very important. Let this video go all over. I don't know where this woman come. I don't really know how to get this woman like that. Like maybe the family where this woman come from, their family. So anybody will know this woman, I beg. Because we cannot leave our people to be frustrated on the streets like this. It's not good, you know. So please try as you can do. Share this video, because when you are sharing this video can get to their family, you know, so we can do something about it. May God bless you as you do. Now I want to surprise you again with another story. Wetin dey happen for India is not good o. You understand? I don't know why our people, our Nigerians, you go come another man's land, you go dey run for the people make dem no kill you. Now you go still run go meet your own fellow brothers and sisters, na dem come be the one wey go kill you. Oh come on, it's too much, it's not good. You understand? This little girl, this lady now, they want to, I don't know, as let me just say the information I found out, like what I get on it, but I never really find the real story on it. But I will flash you this video, make you see am. You understand? Tell me why a girl with her boyfriend will be maltreating a lady. They just want to kill that. Okay, now if that girl die in the process, what are you going to say? Because I noticed that in India they don't have law. Because if na Europe or even African country, even Nigeria, such a thing cannot take a place. You understand? You be beating a lady this way, doing the video. The lady that beating the girl, the one that is beating that girl is from Enugu State. That is what I find out from Enugu State. The one that is videoing the thing, the lady that is videoing the video, that doing the video, is from Urobo. She is from Urobo, Delta State. So the guy himself is the boyfriend to the girl that is beating somebody. So I don't really know where the guy come from. You understand? But please share this video. It's very important, because those people you see, that girl where they beat. Oh, that girl need justice. You understand? Please don't play with this video. Share this video. It's very important. May God bless you as you do. Subscribe on my YouTube channel. Continue sharing my video. May God bless those that subscribe. For those who never subscribe, I beg, try to do. You are not paying money to do that. May God bless you as you do so. Thank you very much. Always remember, anywhere you work out rich, they tell you say it dey easy. No say na set up. May God bless you. Thank you very much. Atakata Abuo 1 na Igbo niile. Leave me. Leave me.
If you don't leave, I will collect where we go.
Leave me.
Leave our one. Let's stop. Leave our one. I'm sorry. Leave our. You're sorry. Sorry. You're sorry. You're sorry now. You're sorry. You're sorry.
Don't fire you there.
Okay, my
for last. Now be on fight. Where the ginger they make mad, you open mouth slap me. Don't fire you. Don't slap me once.
They call us team.
No matter how Stella stop herself, I say she's. Leave me for waste now.
Baby, sorry. One, leave my leg.
Who be your baby?
Leave my leg. Sorry.
Who be your baby?
Stainless.
Then leave me.
Stainless.
I stainless. I beg leave her. Yeah, don't they beg leave her.
You don't do now.
Leave me. I go break this up.
Okay,
come
please.
Okay.
Stainless, I'm having a problem. Stop now. You're having problems now, Stainless. You give me injury, Abby. I will treat you. Why are you kicking my tummy? Jesus! Who are you? Baby, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do it. Please, don't do it. Stainless, don't do it. Stainless, go down. Go down. Go on, go down. There.
Come on, let me hit you. I hit you, man. Come on,
you can save me.
Come on, enter the house. Don't fry you.
You can save me.
Where you get my apartment? Don't fry you. Get them a friend. I'll let go now. I'm not a fool.
You can save me.
So get my they slap me.
You can.
You are for now support each other, may leave. They tell us, say, come on, come on, leave me. They pray, they send you. You open out, they slap me.
I love you. Tell us, forgive me, please. Tell me. Please.
When I see what they talk now, now the girl, see how they take the match am. I beg, I don't want to talk much. If you like wetin dey happen to that girl, then ignore the video. I beg, share this video. May God bless you. Atakata Agbo na Igbo niile. More video is coming for you. God bless you. Thank you.